Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your website mobile-friendly with Elementor. This is crucial because more than half of web traffic now comes from mobile devices, so ensuring your site looks great on phones and tablets can significantly improve user experience and engagement. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in using your credentials. This is where you'll access all the tools needed to edit your site's design and content. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pages section in your WordPress sidebar. From there, select All Pages to view your complete list of pages. Scroll down through this list and locate the specific page you want to optimize for mobile viewing. When you found it, click Edit with Elementor to open up the visual editor. This powerful tool allows you to see exactly how your changes will look in real time. Now, if you're using the free version of Elementor, look for the responsive mode icon at the upper part of the page. This icon typically looks like a small screen or device symbol. Click on it and then select Mobile Portrait from the drop-down menu. This switches your view so you can see exactly how your page appears on a mobile device, which is essential for making precise adjustments. With the mobile view active, start clicking on individual widgets like images, headings, or buttons that you want to adjust. For each element, navigate to the Advanced tab in the left panel. Here you'll find options to adjust the margin and padding. These settings control the spacing around and inside your elements, which is crucial for mobile layouts where screen space is limited. Reducing padding or margins can help prevent elements from feeling cramped or overlapping. This next step is optional but highly effective. You can also adjust the width of your elements. Click on the widget you're working with and set the width to full width, or you can select a custom percentage from the drop-down menu. This gives you precise control over how much screen space each element occupies on mobile devices. Remember, you can adjust every section or widget on your page individually. Just repeat these steps for each element that needs modification. Take your time going through your page systematically, section by section, to ensure a cohesive mobile experience. Once you're satisfied with all your mobile adjustments, click the Publish button at the upper right of the page to make your changes live. If you're not quite ready to publish yet, you can click Save Draft beside the Publish button to save your progress and come back to it later. And there you have it, you've successfully optimized your website for mobile viewing using Elementor. Your visitors will now have a much better experience when browsing your site on their phones. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.